we was at the shop. We just had some great fish to eat. I was like, yeah, we want to get some ice cream, and they brought us into the local community to get some ice cream. And Mommy's there putting some ice cream together for us. Give thanks. At night, Isla Saona is different. It comes alive. The energy is real. We just had some ice cream from the local.
A big bowl.
What would you say? From a local resident. She sold us ice cream out of a freezer for like $1 for 3 cups of ice cream. I'm talking pistachio. I'm talking chocolate ice cream. Delicious. Look. This one, she still got it. Some. Look, still got some in there. It was delicious. Of course, AMRITA's eating hers already. Greedy guts. And of course, the boss. I killed mine early, man. Trust. But yeah, look at this. Isla Saona at night, baby. Comes alive, different. Shines like a diamond in the sky. Watch the road. Bite back. Easy no man. Low man of youths. Yeah. Yeah, funny that, isn't it? Didn't want to waste electricity earlier. This is where we ate we had a fish meal here earlier on. Whoa. Beautiful fish meal earlier on. And we're here. Three shadows walking in the night time. After dark, you know what happens? The freaks come out at night. The freaks come out at night. Ouch! Shit.
Did you hurt yourself? I nearly fell over.
Yeah, cheers. The light comes way too late after you've nearly broken your legs. Then he says, oh yeah, there was the light you needed.
Then the little breaks past. I've done it now.
Even at night, Saona looks great. Look at that. Come on, people, talk to me. Yeah. They used to have a theory years ago. Well, they had a theory that the sky and the shapes of the clouds mirrored what was on Earth. So I don't know where that silhouette is over there of the clouds, but it's beautiful. Hola. What to do more than chill, relax.
Do my hair.
Look, one table. Yeah, where you been all day, you? That's our little doggy friend from earlier. Decided to finally show his ass.
Okay.
We're here.
We're here.
Home sweet home.